Welcome to Best Choice. The best attic insulation is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial investments you can make for your home, significantly impacting your energy bills and overall comfort, especially when you're looking for cost-effective solutions to keep your living space warm in winter and cool in summer without breaking the bank, ensuring a noticeable difference in your monthly expenses and environmental footprint. Number 5. NASA Tech White Reflective Foam Core Garage Door Insulation Kit. Introducing the NASA Tech White Reflective Foam Core Insulation Kit. This innovative solution is designed to enhance your garage's energy efficiency and comfort. It's a complete system for your two-car garage. Experience superior thermal performance with an R8 insulation value. This kit acts as a powerful vapor barrier and a radiant barrier, all in one comprehensive package. It effectively regulates temperature and prevents moisture. Crafted for durability, this insulation is waterproof and weatherproof, ensuring long-lasting protection. We stand by its quality and will replace any damaged rolls, guaranteeing your satisfaction. It's designed to withstand the elements. Installation is made simple with everything you need included. The kit comes with insulation rolls, heavy-duty double-sided tape, a razor, a squeegee, and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll have it set up in no time. Proudly made in the USA, this product meets all US and international fire codes, ensuring safety and reliability. Its improved heavy-duty tape provides a secure and lasting bond. You can trust in its high standards. More than just insulation, this kit also offers significant sound deadening benefits, creating a quieter garage space. It's perfectly sized for 18 feet wide by 8 feet high garage doors, and also fits 18 by 7 doors. This versatile solution enhances your garage's overall environment. What we like. This kit offers a complete R8 insulation, sound deadening, and radiant barrier solution. If you're looking for comprehensive garage door insulation that also reduces noise and acts as a vapor barrier, this is an excellent choice. Its heavy-duty tape ensures a secure and lasting installation. What people say. Number 4. Reach Barrier 3009 Garage Door Insulation Kit. Is your garage a heat trap? This innovative kit is designed to transform your space, making it more comfortable year-round. It's an essential upgrade for any home. Utilizing reflective insulation and bubble barrier technology, it effectively blocks up to 95% of radiant heat. This advanced design ensures your garage stays cooler, even on the hottest days. By reducing heat transfer, it significantly lowers your energy consumption. This means noticeable savings on your utility bills, putting money back in your pocket. Each panel features 2 layers of 532-inch barrier bubble laminated between 2 layers of reflective polyethylene. This robust construction delivers more consistent R values, ensuring optimal thermal performance. It exceeds new fire codes, providing peace of mind for your home. Plus, it requires no maintenance, offering a long-lasting and hassle-free solution. Installation is incredibly easy with its pre-cut panels. You won't need any special tools or protective clothing, making it a perfect DIY project. The kit comes complete with 8 bubble insulation panels, permanent bond adhesive tape, a garage door cleaner sponge, and an easy-to-follow instruction guide. Everything you need is included for a smooth setup. What we like. This kit excels at blocking up to 95% of radiant heat, helping you save energy and money. If consistent R values and superior heat reflection are your top priorities, this product delivers. Plus, its pre-cut panels make installation incredibly easy and safe, requiring no special tools or protective gear. What people say. Number 3. Eapele Attic Stairs Insulation Cover Tent. Introducing the Eapele Attic Stairs Insulation Cover. This premium energy-saving solution is designed to enhance your home's comfort and efficiency. It's specifically made for pull-down attic stairs. Crafted from a double-bubble reflective radiant barrier, it's both lightweight and highly effective. This barrier reflects an impressive 95% of radiant heat, helping to regulate your home's temperature. This insulation cover provides an excellent air seal, preventing valuable heated and cooled air from escaping into your attic. It works year-round to keep your living space comfortable, reducing energy waste. Beyond temperature control, it also acts as a barrier against air leakage, dust, and pollutants. This helps keep your house cleaner and significantly improves your indoor air quality. Equipped with heavy-duty zippers, it allows for easy and durable access to your attic. Simply open the zippers and fold it over when you need to enter or exit. Installation is incredibly fast, taking only about 5 minutes. You can easily install it inside your rough staircase frame using just a staple gun. What we like. This attic stair cover is a game-changer for energy efficiency, reflecting 95% of radiant heat and providing an excellent air seal. If you want to prevent air leakage, dust, and pollutants from entering your home while maintaining easy attic access, this tent is perfect. Its heavy-duty zippers ensure durability and convenience for repeated use. What people say. Number 2. Frost King CF1 No-Itch Natural Cotton Insulation. Discover the Frost King CF1, a natural cotton multi-purpose insulation. It's designed for a wide range of uses around your home or project. This product is perfect for insulating your spaces, providing cushioning where needed, and effectively dampening noise. It offers multiple benefits in one easy-to-use material. Forget about uncomfortable safety gear. This insulation is a safe alternative, requiring no gloves, face mask, or goggles for handling. Its flexible design allows you to easily cut or rip it to size. You can fit it perfectly for pipes, ducts, walls, and many other applications. Made from natural cotton, it provides effective insulation without the irritation. Enjoy a comfortable and efficient solution for your home improvement needs. What we like. This natural cotton insulation is a safe and comfortable alternative to traditional options, requiring no gloves or masks. If you need versatile insulation for various applications like pipes, ducts, or walls, and prioritize ease of handling without irritation, this product is ideal. You can easily cut or rip it to fit any space. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per instructions. Number 1. InstallGear 10-gauge OFC speaker wire. This 10-gauge wire spans 50 feet, ensuring ample length for your setup. Its thicker design minimizes resistance, allowing for superior current flow and audio quality. Crafted with 99.9% oxygen-free copper, it offers a superior electrical connection. This material resists heat expansion and contraction, reliably carrying higher current loads. Its rugged PVC jacket provides exceptional durability. This protective layer ensures flexibility, elasticity, and impact resistance for long-lasting performance. Avoid damaging your audio equipment with easy polarity identification. Its two-color jacket simplifies correct connection, preventing costly mistakes. Designed for effortless installation, its soft-touch jacket offers superior flexibility. This low-memory design makes routing simple and neat. What we like. This speaker wire stands out with its 99.9% oxygen-free copper, ensuring superior electrical conductivity and higher current loads. If you are an audiophile looking for high-quality signal transmission and durability for your audio setup, this is your go-to. Its rugged yet flexible jacket and easy polarity identification make installation straightforward and reliable. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. No product reviews were provided in the source. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.